Nifty eyes 25,000. Let's see analysis on Nifty's bullish trends, technical indicators, and anticipation for the upcoming US non-farm payrolls report. Stay tuned for insights on Bank Nifty and the upcoming Union budget. In early action, GIFT Nifty is seen trading with positive bias. Overnight, the US stock exchanges had closed earlier and will now reopen on Friday. Wall Street is closed for the 4th of July holiday due to the US Independence holiday. The trading theme revolves around the dovish Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's statements that are interpreted as making a September interest rate cut more likely. All anxious eyes now on the US non-farm payrolls (NFP) report for June 2024 to be wired on Friday 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Long story short, the trading theme revolves around markets increasing bets into the narrative that a soft landing in the US is underway. Global cues are positive. In Wednesday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 5484 crores while DIIs were net sellers to tune of Rs 924 crores. Sentiments for the day in favor of bulls. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,500 zone. India VIX has slipped towards 13.20 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 1.45 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 1.23. Nifty outlook, bullish day out. Nifty, CMP to 4287. Support, 24,200 to 24,100. Resistance, 24,450 to 24,550. Range, 24,200 to 24,550. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 53089. Support, 52,700 to 52,500. Resistance, 53,500 to 53,700. Range, 52,700 to 53,700. Bias, sideways to bullish. The key positive takeaway from yesterday's trade. 1. Sensex hits new all-time high at 80,074.30 mark. 2. Nifty's new all-time high at 24307.25 mark. 3. Bank Nifty's all-time high is at 53,256.70. Nifty spectacular rally suggests Nifty's immediate goalpost now placed at 24,500 mark. The positive takeaway is that even the most aggressive bulls are rushing to revise their Nifty's targets higher to 25,000 for a market that keeps dragging on a higher high-low pattern. The line in the sand is at Nifty's make-or-break support at 24,050 mark. All bullish eyes now turn towards the upcoming Union budget, which is proposed to be presented on 24th July at 11 a.m., with the economy survey estimated to be tabled on 23rd July. Long story short, keep your Nifty 25,000 cap ready.